If you are interested in recycling news, and you probably are if you're watching this video, you may have heard the term Fogo, F-O-G-O, bin recently. Today we will look at what this means. A Fogo bin means food organics and garden organics. Up to now, pretty much all residential food waste has ended up in general waste and landfill, unless you have a domestic compost system. The Australian federal and state governments aim to change all that, with all Aussies having access to a bin for food scraps by 2023. The New South Wales EPA describes it as food organics and garden organics is a curbside collection service that allows food to be added to the green lid garden waste bin so it can be recycled into top quality compost. When you consider the average Aussie household throws out $3,500 of food annually, this sounds great, but we have to look at some potential issues, such as contamination and the wrong type of waste being disposed. In theory, if general waste like plastic etc. is put in the bin, it would make it much harder to efficiently create the compost. We can actually look at some councils that have already implemented the service and see how they are doing. Currently only 30% of all Australians have access to Fogo bins, however the feedback has been positive. After implementing the bins in March 2021, Randwick Council in inner city Sydney was able to divert 1,400 tonnes of food waste from going to landfill. The contamination rate has been very low, with the council reporting a contamination rate of just 1.5%. This is all extremely positive. This material will be used for creating compost, which of course can replenish depleted soils. Compost from waste of course needs to be carefully administered, as contamination can severely impact animals and crops. This compost is most likely to be used in areas like forests, bushland, and areas not used for food growing, such as golf courses or parklands. No matter which way you look at it, it prevents food waste going to landfill and decreases the need for other fertilisers which have clear environmental impacts. All in all, great news. For lots more recycling info, visit us at waster.com.au and like and subscribe below.